Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download XAMPP into your computer in a very simple way. What you can do, just simply pick your favorite browser and then come over into search option and going to search for XAMPP. Click enter and here we'll find www.apachefriends.org and from here you can simply download the XAMPP. So click on the website and you can see there are three different operating systems called Windows, Linux and Mac. So I'm going to click on this Windows and after clicking on download, you'll get it over here. And after a little bit of short slightly time, the download will be started over here. So it's about 150 MB. So it will take some of seconds to download or minutes. So keep patience. And you can see that the download is completed. And now what we're going to do, we're going to drag it to this desktop and going to click on it 2 times to install. There will be a permission, click yes. And here you can see there is a welcome note. So going to click on OK. And this is setup XAMPP. So click on next and make sure all are selected. So click next and leave the folder into C drive. Click next. Select only two language called English and Dutch. So I'm going to select English and then click next and ready to install. So it will take some of minutes or maybe some seconds to install. So keep patience. And if you get this kind of notification over here, just simply click on allow. And after that, you can see that you're completing the XAMPP setup wizard over here. So now what you're going to do, I'll just simply click on finish over here and then come over into search option and going to search for XAMPP and going to click on it and it will be open over here. So this is how you can download and install XAMPP into your computer. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.